Hi everyone, welcome to our online Family Day with Schneider Museum of Art. I'm Isabel, our education coordinator. Today I will be walking us through how to make cherry blossoms out of paper for our activity, which is based off of Isabella Thorndike Church's plant installations, which will be shown in our upcoming exhibition, Celebrating Wild Beauty. I hope you enjoy this activity, and we do have a write-up version of this as well. Make sure to share all of your creations with us on our social medias, Schneider MOA on Instagram and Schneider Museum of Art on Facebook. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have fun. All right, let's get started. We also have a write-up tutorial of this as well, so if you would like to use that, feel free. So what you need for materials is 4x4 pieces of paper. I'm using hot pink construction paper, but you can also use tissue paper or newspaper. Depending on the type you choose, you may have to layer it to get the desired effect, and you can always cut it differently to get more of a ruffly feel to it. You'll also need a twig. You can cut out green leaves, completely optional. You'll need tape, and then you also need a pair of scissors. So, first step, I will show how to make a 4-leaf flower. This is a little bit easier for kids because it does not require as much folding or cutting. So we'll start with this one. What you're going to do is you're going to take your sheet of 4x4 paper and fold it in half. So you should have a rectangle, and then fold it in half again so you get a square. It's very similar to how people make snowflakes. So now you have the little square again, and then you're going to fold the bottom half that's already folded, and then fold that up to meet the other half that's folded. All of your open ends should line up together, and you have a triangle. From here, you're going to cut a curve like so. And you should have like a half heart shape. And then start unfolding, have a 4-leaf flower. Super cute. You can layer it to get even more petals on it. Whatever you want to do, looks great. Then now I will show the 5-leaf flower. This one's a little more challenging, so bear with me on this one. You're going to take your next sheet of paper and start by folding it in half. From here, you're going to take this bottom part and fold it upwards like so. So it's a half triangle and a square. You're going to then unfold it and fold the other corner down. So again, half triangle, square, unfold. You should see an X on that side now. This center will be important in our next fold because we're going to take this corner and meet it to that center. This edge will not line up with your X edge, but that's okay. Now crease it and fold this corner back up towards the side that you just folded and fold it down. Now have this shape. Can see, and then we're taking this corner and folding it up so the side meets that side of the triangle. Crease it and then fold it in half like so. Flip it back around. You should see we have a small triangle, slightly larger triangle, another triangle. So we have multiple layers of triangles happening right here. You are now going to cut it. So what you're going to do is cut along this curve and in the smallest triangle we have at the front. So I'm going to start a little low and then cut all the way up to the top of that smallest triangle. Set that down, and this is the shape you should have. Then now I'm going to cut this top corner off to give it a cute little effect, and then we start unfolding. And if you don't get this right away, that's totally okay. I definitely struggled at first, but now I would say I'm close to a pro. So just give it some time and practice a bunch and you'll get it. So our cute little flower that we have. And so now we have a bunch of flowers, we have some leaves cut out. What we can do is start attaching them to our twig. So here I've already started in a couple of places, but what I have been doing, and you can use tape or glue for this, whatever you find easiest, but I take a little piece of tape, I take my flower, pick where I want it to go, and then just put tape on the back side and attach it in place. And there you go. Looks great. This is what it looks like from the back side, holding it in place. Of course, glue will definitely stay a lot stronger and longer, but it's completely up to you and what you have on hand. And that's it for the craft. You can feel free to tape on a little leaf as well. You can fill this twig up as much as you want. You can use these flower cutouts for another type of craft. You can make a flower crown by taking twigs and kind of spinning them into a circle, attaching these. You could do a mobile where you have a base circle and then sew a thread in between these and hang them. Anything you want to do, I'm sure would be a lot of fun, but kind of looks similar to what Isabella Thorndike Church's plant installations will look like, so you get a little bit of taste of what our summer exhibition will be. I hope you enjoy this, and make sure to send us all of your crafts at Schneider MOA on Instagram or Schneider Museum of Art on Facebook. Thank you.